Not too long ago, safety on Indian roads was left to chance until someone decided it shouldn't be. In 2018, Tata Motors became the first Indian manufacturer to voluntarily crash the Nexon. That crash delivered India's first 5-star GNCAP rating, and from that moment, safety became a part of every car buying conversation. The story continued. We made Indian roads safer. Now, safety has to be legendary. We had to test the Sierra just as legendary.
3, 2, 1.
And that's how we changed the game on safety again. So we designed this test as a true car-to-car impact to mirror real-world conditions. What remains when two legends collide? You don't witness destruction. It's simply an orchestra of precision. That's how a legend raises the bar, not by following norms, but by redefining them.